Welcome to BasicFunder. This tutorial will provide an introduction to the name and address import facility in BasicFunder Premier. Here are the steps we are going to follow. First, from the administration menu, select Names and Address Import. Second, select the groups we want imported names and addresses associated to. Third, begin the import process. Select the file type, describe what each column contains, preview, confirm, and begin the import. Open the administration menu. Click the Name and Address Import menu item. During the import process, you can assign the donors to groups. For example, let's say you are importing a spreadsheet of people who have asked to receive your newsletter. Select the groups you want the imported donors to be associated to. For example, newsletter. Click the Import Wizard button to start. You are advised to perform a backup before using the name and address import facility. Step 1. Select the format of the file you will be importing. For this tutorial we will be importing from an Excel spreadsheet. Click Next to continue. Step 2. Select the file you will be importing. Find and select the file, then click Open. Click Next to continue. Step 3. Define additional options describing your data file. If our spreadsheet has a row of headings at the top of the spreadsheet, we will want to tell the import wizard to use row 2 for the first row to find data. Click Next to continue. Step 4. Mapping the spreadsheet columns to the fields in the database. The first column contains the last name. Move the cursor over the column letter/heading and click the right mouse button. A list will pop up showing you all of the available fields in the database that you can map this column to. We will select last name. You will see the column heading has changed to the database field we selected. This tells us where the column data will be put. Also, the column becomes shaded, indicating a mapping is in place. The next column contains first name. Again, you can see that the column heading has changed to the selected database field name. If you have mapped a column to an incorrect field, just repeat the process and select the correct field. Continue mapping all of the columns. When all of the columns have been mapped, click Next to continue. Step 5. Verify database field mappings to columns. Make sure the columns are mapped correctly, then click Next. Step 6. Preview and verify. If at any point you recognize errors, you can click back and make corrections. Click Next to continue. Step 7. The final step, execute. Click the Execute button. One last chance. Clicking OK will begin importing, clicking Cancel will abort the process entirely. A window will indicate the progress of the import. Your import has been completed. This concludes the tutorial on importing names and addresses into BasicFunder. To learn more about BasicFunder, visit www.basicfunder.com, or call 905-709-7497.